Ang daming puno dito sa Luwakan. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin at tahimik ang paligid. Kaya naman talagang nakaka-relax. Napakapayapa at malayo sa ingay ng syudad. Pero kahit ganito kaganda at kapresko ng kapaligiran, hindi pa rin maiiwasan ang pagkakaroon ng sakit dahil sa pabago-bagong panahon. Karaniwan dito ang ubo at sipon na minsan may kasamang lagnat o di kaya pananakit ng ulo o katawan. Kapag may nararamdaman, ano nga bang ginagawa ng karamihan? Madalas, nagpapahinga na lang o di kaya sa hospital agad nagpapagamot. Pero alam mo ba na ang mga district health center sa Baguio ay may malawak na serbisyong ino-offer na accessible sa lahat? Baka nadadaanan nyo lang ito. Kaya mga ka-Aruba, check this out! Dito sa 37 Purok Bobon, Luwakan proper, matatagpuan ng isa sa mga district health center ng lungsod, ang Luwakan District Health Center.
Here at Luwakan District Health Center, we provide care across the entire lifespan, from infants to senior citizens. We offer medical consultations both for acute and chronic conditions, along with maternal and child care services, including prenatal, postnatal, and family planning. We also provide immunization under the national program. We handle non-communicable diseases such as hypertension and diabetes, as well as communicable diseases programs such as tuberculosis. We also support other local and national public health programs. In addition, we provide mental health services, nutrition services, basic dental care, minor procedures such as wound care and suturing, and access to essential medicines through our pharmacy.
Ang health center na ito ay nag-aalok ng iba't ibang serbisyo na libre. Narito ang mga barangay na sakop ng Luwakan District Health Center: Camp 7, Luwakan Liwanag, at Luwakan proper.
What makes our facility unique is the diverse geographic population we serve. As a Level 3 adolescent-friendly and mother-baby-friendly facility, we ensure quality patient-centered care, allowing us to provide accessible and responsive healthcare to our community. In addition, our facility is surrounded by open spaces and natural greenery, creating a calm, healing environment that enhances patient comfort and overall well-being. Our clients include newborns, children, adolescents, women of reproductive age, adults with acute and chronic conditions, and geriatric patients. We also cater to special populations, ensuring comprehensive and inclusive care for all.
Ngayon, alam na natin kung saan at ano ang mga basic at non-emergency medical services ng Luwakan District Health Center. Para sa iba pang katanungan at additional #kalusugay, maaari niyong i-contact ang Luwakan District Health Center sa kanilang Facebook page o di kaya naman sa kanilang contact details na nasa inyong screen.
In line with the principles of universal healthcare, our vision is to establish one-stop primary care facility where patients can access comprehensive and continuous care in a single setting. By strengthening our existing services and expanding our services, including basic diagnostics and minor procedures, we aim to provide accessible, equitable, and high-quality healthcare for all. Visit Luwakan Health Center for your health needs. We are ready to serve you.
Ang kalusugan ay mahalaga at dapat pangalagaan. Kaya naman ugaliing bumisita sa inyong mga health centers na certified clinical healthcare na so check! Kaya saan ka pa at saan ka muna? Punta na sa mga health centers na talagang check! May tiyak na serbisyong epektibo at komprehensibo.
Let's #breathe a healthier Baguio.